Welcome to lesson 128. Problem number 1. There are 50 sour balls in a 5-ounce bag. How many sour balls are in a 1-ounce bag? Okay, so I could work with what I know. 5-ounce bag, there's 50 sour balls in a 5-ounce bag. Sour balls in one. So 5 times 10 equals 50. So that means that a 1-ounce bag would have 10 sour balls. So the answer would be 10. 2. 72 divided by 8. 8 times something, it's the inverse operation, equals 72. 3. Write 7 plus 200 plus 90 as a base 10 number. We have 2 as our hundreds, 90 as our tens, and we have 7 ones. Look like that. 4. 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 3 is 3, 6. Don't forget the 5. Now you have 6 times 5. Look at that answer. Round 76 to the nearest 10. I'm going to look at my ones place. It is greater than 5, so I'm going to round it up. So the nearest 10 would either be 70 or 80. And if I'm rounding up, it's going to be 80. 778 plus 93. When you do this problem, make sure that your numbers are directly under each other to avoid any mistakes. So my 93 should look like that. 7. Luke started his math paper at 7:15 p.m. and he finished at 7:45 p.m. How many minutes did Luke spend on his math paper? How many minutes did he spend if he started at 7:15 and he finished at 7:45? It looks like it's a takeaway problem. I'm going to take away my minutes to get how much time that he spent on his math. So 7:45, 45 is greater than 15, that's why it's going on the top. And this is not going to change because I want to find how many minutes he spent on his paper. 0, 5 take away 5 is 0, 4 take away 1 is 3. Looks like he spent 30 minutes. 8 is about measuring. If you have a ruler, go ahead and try it. If you don't, just skip it. 9. Two shapes can have the same perimeter and different areas. Each shape has a perimeter of 16 inches. Find the area of each shape by counting the 1 to 1 inch square units. That means you're counting each one up. That's what they want you to do. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This one has an area, looks like it's in 4s. 4 times, it looks like it's 4 times 4, which equals 16. There's 4 here and 4 going across. Okay. 10. 7 cows perched on each of 7 sections of telephone wire. A car horn blew and 19 crows flew away. How many crows remained? Write 2 number sentences and solve for x. 7 crows perched on each of the 7 sections of telephone wire. So there's 7 sections, 7 in each row. 7 times 7 is the first equation, which would equal 49. And then 19 crows flew away. So I have my total, take away that 19, and then you'll get your final answer. 11. Compare the shaded parts of the 2 rectangles and choose the correct sign. So I'm looking to see which fraction is greater. And by looking here, you have to think about which one has more shaded in, because they each have a difference of 1. They each need 1 more to be complete. However, this one has smaller squares, so there's more of it filled in. This one needs to be, if this is going to be equal, you would need to have more of this filled in. So 5/6 is greater than 3/4. So 3/4 is less than 5/6. 12. Compare the choose the description that matches the picture. So I'm looking at my picture and I have to find out which sentence would best match it. So I have, let's see, 2, 4, 6 in each group, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups. 42 is divided into 6 equal shares. That means it's another word for groups. Or is 42 divided into 7 equal shares? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's divided into 7 equal shares with 6 in each group. 13, 6 times 8, 14, 9 times 3 times 2. Using the associative property, you could multiply 9 times 3 first. What is the other multiplication problem you can start with? So they said you could do this, or you can switch it around. 9 times 3 times 2, what they mean is, or you can do it like this. And that's the answer. They just want to see another way of how to solve this problem. 15. The tanker truck had 582 liters of diesel fuel left in its tank. It filled the gas station's diesel tank with 492 liters. How many liters of diesel fuel did the truck still have in its tank? Sounds like a takeaway problem. It's going to be 582, take away 492, take 2, take away 2 is 0, 8 take away 9, is 8 greater than 9? It is not, it is less than. I can't take it away, I have to borrow. This is going to turn to a 4. Now we have 18. Half of 18 is 9. So we put 9 here. 4 take away 4 is 0. So it would be 90. How many liters of diesel fuel? There's 90 liters left of the fuel. If you have any questions with 128, please let me know. Thanks for watching.